significant fatigue here by the expansion joint.
Copy that. Forward deck, starboard side. Documenting now. Right at the well seam, we're looking at 45% material loss.
45%. Okay, next section over.
All right, easy now. Bring it up slowly. Copy that. Tension on the main chains. It's breaking free now. Lower it slowly. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Alignment check complete. Tension verified.
Confirmed. Finalized.
We are green across the board. Tension is normalizing.
Confirmed. Proceed to next phase.
Adjusting tension on line 3. Stress level stabilizing.
Confirmed. Continue gradual extraction.
All tugs, maintain current bearing. We have movement on the hull.
Confirmed. Moving steady at 0.5 knots.
All tugs, adjust alignment to port. Maintain steady pressure.
Roger. Moving to port.
We are aligned on the center blocks. All right, flood the tanks and settle her down.
This section is level. We are still stable.
Confirmed. Marking it down.
Keep that jet steady on the turret base. We need to expose the plating there.
What the reading on this plate?
0.8 millimeters. Significant loss here.
Noted. Move to the next section.
This section needs reinforcement. Use the matte gray marker right here.
Okay, marked.
All right, take it slow. Watch the clearance. Clear on the superstructure. Keep it coming up.
Control, this is deck. Hoist is good. Begin rotation to starboard.
All right, she's loose. Take it up slow. Copy that.
Coming up slowly. Watch this one.
Watch the pressure on that line. It's moving slow, still a lot of sludge. Keep it clear of the intake.
All right, easy now. Keep it steady on the turret A lift.
Copy that, moving slowly. She's clearing the housing now. All right, bring her up slowly.
Easy now. Keep it steady.
Clear on the starboard side. Coming up slowly.
The barrels are clear. Start the traverse to the right.
Crane control, you are clear to lift. Slow and steady now. Watch the starboard side.
Keep the tension steady on the center shaft.
All right, easy now, easy.
All slings secure, ready for the lift. Roger that, starting the ascent.
See the stress fracture right here near the weld seam?
Yes, and the buckle damage is significant. We'll need to document this immediately.
The readings on section 4 look good. Record that as passed.
Confirmed. The penetrant test is clear as well.
All right, this blade is secured.
What about this gear here? Is that C turret?
Yes, that's the one we marked earlier. Hull section 12 alpha, plating looks good. Mark it for preservation.
Roger that. Moving to the next segment.
Lower it slowly, watch the alignment. Keep coming down, easy now. All right, it's seated, lock it down.
Look at the pitting here on the roller path. The corrosion on these bearings is extensive, and the gearing is seized.
Noted. We'll need a full replacement for this section. Down a few inches. All right, secure the housing. Keep the light steady on the gauge. Reading steady, 0.01.
Lift it slow.
Okay, lowering the new one.
Set the wrench. Let's torque it down.
in the light right there on the lower race. See the scoring?
I see it. That explains the resistance we measured yesterday.
Turret C, begin elevation. Check the hydraulics.
45 degrees achieved. System is stable.
The readings on Sector 4 look good.
Confirmed. The rotation is smooth.
We've still got too much play here. Hand me the torque multiplier. Taking it up now. Check the alignment. All right, bring it down another meter. Steady, steady. Secure the barrels first. It's seated. Start with the forward bolts.
Roger! Applying torque now.
Electrical systems checked on B shaft. Confirm readings.
Readings are stable.
Turbine rotation stable at 50 RPM.
Copy that. Elevation on Bruno registering 45 degrees.